Hello, welcome to Orphan Espresso. I'm Doug.
And I'm Barb. And today I'm going to show you how to assemble the leveling rake. When you get your leveling rake, it'll have instructions. It'll have a packet of 7 pins. It will have a rubber pad and the rake body. To open the packet of pins, you turn it over to the back and the ends just pull out from each other. You'll need a little bit of oil, cooking oil, just
olive
something
oil,
thin, food safe. Take the pins out of the package. Watch out for them, they're very sharp. So you take each pin, put a little bit of oil between your fingers, and just coat the pin, but not the head.
So you're working from the top now?
I'm working from the top. And I'm using my non-oily hand to pick up the pins. Put them in the hole. You can usually feel that they kind of seep through it. Don't do this on your best furniture surface.
Well, that's why we give you the little scrap rubber pad.
And there are 7 pins. You only use 5 in the rake body, so we give you 2 extra in case something goes wrong. Like you bend them on.
Right, if you're careful about it, it's pretty successful.
Okay, so I have all 5 in there.
Looks a bit like acupuncture at this point.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, then we turn the rake body over onto the rubber pad and push the pins through.
Okay.
And I lift them up, push them a bit, and lift them up. That's in case they start to bend. It releases the tension on them.
Well, that's a good tip. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That happened.
You go all the way through.
So you didn't have to put any extra oil on it?
No,
What?
sometimes if they're real stubborn and there's
Oh, I see.
partially through, I'll put oil on my finger and just run my finger on that.
Okay.
And then push them down again. Once you've done that,
So what's the pad for exactly?
it protects the nylon heads.
Oh, okay.
Then I put it on a hard surface and finish seating the heads.
Oh, I heard that.
Yep, one of them kind of popped into the socket, and you can tell they're seated. There's no wobble, and they're even across this end. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Along here, the top, you can run your finger across it. There'll be a very slight deviation because not all of the pin heads are exactly the same
Pin
size.
heads, I'm sorry. Okay.
Now, it's all put together. I'm going to take it over to the sink, wash it with dish soap, let it drip dry or dry off with a cloth. Watch out for those ends. They are very sharp.
Okay, so
There you have it.
that looks pretty straightforward. Thanks a lot, Barb.
Thank you.